Hi guys.
Today we're gonna be posting. Even though if we didn't have 50 subscribers, we want to hit 50 subscribers. But this is just for a little treat because our break is ending. So we went to Target and we got this new Mr. Beast toy, and we're gonna open it with you guys.
And it was the last one.
It
was the last one.
And we were a little kid asked us if we could have it, but we said no because we're gonna use this for our video. So.
It was the last one.
And so he just left. It was really fun.
So we're gonna make it now.
Yeah, so first let's see, we got Mr. Beast here, and this is what it says.
It says mix, fill, and create become Mr. Beast.
Look at that. And it's sponsored by Mr. Beast. So yeah.
Sponsored by Moose. So let's
Let's
open this.
Let's read the back first. This is what the back looks like. Ooh, it has Mr. Beast. The like kid is scratching it. Okay, well, let's open this up.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
Oh my god. He doesn't want to come out. He's only been in there for like a while.
Yeah, probably out. I'm scratching.
Let me try.
Okay, you try.
Yeah. Okay, right, this is hard.
Oh dear, maybe this. Oh, we got it. So, here you go.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa, okay, here.
Oh my god,
So
what is this?
This is the first thing we got. First, we got these little packets here.
What is this?
I don't know. I think these are like little Legos and they have power. We got blue and green.
The Feastables.
Yeah, little Feastables. Oh, we have money here, and this one is the Feastable ones. Oh, those are so cute. These one kind of feel like squishy. That's really cool. Okay, let's open the second one. We got another.
What is this?
I think this is the slime.
This is like the goo. Oh my god, this feels so weird.
No way. Ooh, what
Gooey.
Okay, this is the slime. Oh, we got a machine.
What is this?
I don't know. This is how you make the slime now?
The syringe. And oh my god, he feels so weird.
It's already like he's just squishy. And like, of course, we got the instructions.
Yeah, but we don't need them. Well, maybe we do need them.
You might.
Well, anyway, so all that, let's get started. Let's see what we got. First, we got Mr. Beast.
And we got the weird machine that we probably need to make.
Then we got the goo. Plus these two things, I don't even know what it means.
And then we of course, have the instructions. So let's read the instructions first. Mr. Beast. Let's see what we got here. Okay, Okay, so this is what. Okay, Mr. Beast.
Step one.
Step one.
You take off the head.
Okay, step two.
Let's take off the head.
Yeah, let's take off the head. Okay.
Oh my god, the head can come off.
I don't know the head can come off.
That's freaky.
That's really weird. How do you take the head off?
Let me try.
You try.
Oh my god, what the hell?
How do you take it off? Are we gonna break it like that? What does that mean by taking the head
Oh my
off?
god, what the hell?
Wait, I don't. Here, hold on. I may know how to do it. I don't know. We might break it.
Oh my god, what the
How
hell?
do you take the head off? I think Here,
why?
You have to get it from this one.
Let's see how you do it. Oh!
How do you do it?
Let me see. Oh, I know how to do it.
How?
So you're supposed to plug it off like this. Yes, okay.
That's what I was doing, Josh.
Oh my god, what the
Are
hell?
you taking it off? We're gonna break it. Come on, you got it. You're strong.
I got it. Oh my god, what the hell?
Oh my god, it's Mr. Beast!
What is this?
I don't know. Okay, now it says second. Let's see. Where are we at?
Step 2.
Step 2.
My.
I
Tell me about this top. Step 2.
Oh.
Not step 12.
No, this is step 1. Okay, step 1. Okay, second, take this off. So we'll push like.
All the goo off.
No. Okay,
and now we need
Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay, we got the cap off.
Okay,
now,
I'm gonna go stay here with the viewers while I get a bowl.
We're supposed to take this off, I think. Also, let's take this off.
You will stay here with the viewers, and I have to get a bowl.
Yes, comment down below. Okay, let's see. So, wow, they step number 13, bro. Okay, let's see. Let's go to step Where's step 1? Okay. Step 1. Okay, we did that. Okay, now for step 2.
As you can see, I just got a bowl.
We need water.
Water?
Yeah, look, you read step 2. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll go get some water.
Step 2. Wait, you're supposed to pour your slime. What are you? Oh man, what does this mean? Step 2.
Step 3. I think you're supposed to pour water and then get out. So
wait,
you
are
see?
you sure? Wait, are you? This is maybe a new. They mean this. No, I think they mean this. I think.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to I think I have an idea.
I don't know how to.
So you quickly you go get water while I stay with the viewers.
Okay, and I'll get this in the bowl.
Yeah, no, leave the bowl. Oh yeah, no. Okay, whatever.
No. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need to pour the slime in here.
The slime.
Let's open this. We need to pour the slime in.
You need to put the slime in the water and then pour it in.
Well, you get the water. I'll say for the viewers.
Okay, okay.
We also need scissors also. Oh my god. This is Mr. Beast. Oh my god. That's so cool. What are you doing? That feels like slime actually. Oh wait, look, we have mine. They actually feel like squishy. They feel squishy in here. I like the packet. It feels really cool. It's really cool. We have Mr. Beast bars. How cool was that?
Hi guys. So as you can see,
We got our water.
water and the scissors.
Okay, so I think open this up. Okay, now we'll finish step 2. Are you supposed to put water?
Yeah, you're supposed to put water and slime at the same time, and
you
then
put the water first. I think
yeah, you put the water inside here, and then you put slime here, and then you shake it up and put the cabinet, and then you pull it out.
Open the slime. The slime open?
Now it's poured inside him.
Wait, I have to open it.
Oh.
There's actual. Wait, let me see. That's like goo. Oh my god.
God.
Let me put it over here.
Oh.
Oh my god. Maybe you want to do it.
Pour it all in.
I'm trying to. Then maybe that's how slimy you can do it.
That is so weird. Just so more. Oh.
There's no more.
Okay, fine. Oh
We
wow.
want only a little bit.
It looks like it is in a pee pee. Wait, how much water do we put in it? Didn't specify.
I know. Now you're supposed to pour it in here? Did we do it wrong?
I think we just put I think we're supposed to pour water.
Wait, there's also something here. So.
With some for pour. Yeah, we pour water in it until almost to the full way. Yeah, we did it correct.
Okay.
Now pour water until it reaches the top.
Until it reaches where?
I think around the top.
It reaches to the
Yeah. Oh my.
Okay, that should be good. I really because this will. Oh my god.
I think that's enough.
How the hell does this stand up by itself?
Now I think you put the cap in.
Okay, now after, what does it say after? Wait.
Little the cap.
Not yet. Now it says to open these things. Okay. I'm hoping. I really like this thing.
Ooh.
It's so cool. Wait. Oh, they're like jelly things. I really don't want to put in that.
Can I see?
We'll have to keep some of them. They look really cute. Oh my god.
Oh my god, how many are in there?
There's 6.
Okay, let's keep 2 of them.
Yeah, these 2 will keep them. Now we'll do this. Okay. Did we do this one?
Wait. Where we hold it? Where's the machine?
The machine's right here. Wait.
And then we put his body on the machine.
Wait.
Yeah, we're supposed to put his body on the machine.
What? Can we do this? No. Wait.
What?
Okay, we're back to our stuff. Don't put him now, Josh. We did everything correct. No, we did everything. So now, put these inside our bowl. We'll take these out.
Okay.
Did it come
We're not
out?
supposed to shake it.
No.
Okay.
Sections, dude. Okay, after that, of course, I'm pouring the section.
Okay, let's pour it in.
Are you sure you have to put
Yeah, I
it
think
in?
oh yeah. All of it. Yeah.
No, well, at least we got slime.
What is that?
I don't know, it's really weird. We didn't have this one or anything. So after now this is number 3, we need water. We have to put water inside.
We already did step 3. We already put water. Now start to the other
No.
side. Ow.
This time, and put this and pour it in. And then after we need to
Oh, yeah, that's what we did.
water in here. Okay, now let's put water in here, I guess. Yeah. How much you have to put?
We already put water
No,
inside.
we need to do it, guys.
Oh.
Because look, if you read number 3, that I don't think you're reading.
Okay.
Can you hold this? Or, you know? Wait.
Guys, we're gonna have some. We're gonna continue this.
Okay, wait. After this,
Guys, bye, and we're gonna see this in part 2.